In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own at-desk recording. So first of all, go to your Veely module site and go to the replay content area. And within that area, you'll see a create button at the very top. If you click the create button and then choose record new session, this will then allow you to either download the recorder if you don't already have it, or if you're on your own personal device, or you can launch Panopto, which is the recorder which you'll be using to create your at-desk recordings. So if I click launch Panopto, you might get a prompt. You can launch the application and then it will load up and log you in. If you don't have a Veely site and you're just using your recordings on their own, you can load the Panopto program up on your desktop computer and you can sign in with your university account. If you click the Remember Me, that will enable you to just use the system offline as well. So the first thing to check is to change the folder, which is where the recording is going to be uploaded to. So these are named based upon the module sits code. So if you want a recording to go straight to students, you can choose the module folder, which is associated to your teaching module. Otherwise, look for the folder based on your name. So I've got a personal folder here set up and I can select that folder. And that means that when I'm recording something, I go into the personal folder and it'll sit there and no one else will have access to it. So I can then move that to a module later on once I've edited it down. I'm happy with it. Then put in a session name. So just put in your session name at the top there. Then on the left hand side, this chooses what you're going to be recording. So I want to record my webcam, so I've got my video set to my webcam. My audio I need to set to my headset microphone, so I've got another headset microphone I've connected up here. So as you can see, if I speak into that one, the levels go up and down, and that means it's going to be coming through okay, nice and loud. I've set the quality to ultra because, you know, why not? And then I'm also wanting to capture a PowerPoint and a main screen. Now, if I was just doing a talking head without any screencasting, just a video, I can uncheck those and it would just record the video or just record the audio. But I want to capture my screen, and this will capture my PC screen as I see it. But I also want to capture the PowerPoint slides, and when I do that, it will take the slides, it will take the headings of the slides, and it will convert those to bookmarks into the final recording. So what I'm going to do is open up a presentation now, and if you don't see that option, just switch it to the PowerPoint tab and then you'll get the prompt to open up a presentation. I'm going to open up my presentation I want to record, and now it gives me the option there to start recording automatically when the PowerPoint opens. So I'm going to click yes. So I have my screen being fully recorded now and the capture is taking place. My presentation is going through. I can just click through the presentation as I would do speaking normally, and then when I've finished doing my presentation, hit escape, switch back to my Panopto recorder. I'm going to stop my recording at the top. You'll then get prompted to upload your recording, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to click upload, and we can see here that upload is in progress. Now, it doesn't take too long, but you need to have a consistent internet connection during this phase. When it's finished processing, it will drop it into the uploaded recordings list. Okay, so in this example I'm going to show you how you can record the screen on its own. So I don't need the PowerPoint, so I can just remove that from the tab at the top there and switch it to the main screen. And what I'm going to do is change the frame per second. This is just to make the screen recording a bit smoother, just to change that to 15 and then click apply. And now what it'll do, it'll record the screen as it appears on my PC screen. Now if I want to preview that, I could just check the box and it'll show me what it's going to record. And if you've got two screens attached to your computer, you'll be able to then choose which screen you want on the left side there. So I'm just going to record my screen, so I'm going to click record. And now it's recording. I can minimize that and we can see here this is going to be what I'm going to record. And when I'm finished, I'd then open up Panopto again, and at the very top just click stop. That'll prompt me then to upload. I click upload, and again we wait for it to finish uploading. Now if you're recording in offline mode, you will see a list of offline recordings at the top. So if you don't have any network connections, you can then go to manage recordings and then upload to the server. and when you do that it'll ask you which folder to upload it into. So you can do that if you have any offline recordings. So that's the recording stage. Now you need to perhaps edit this down. So to edit it down, you can either click on the edit link that's provided in the Manage Recordings pane, or within your VLE module site. So within my VLE module site, I've got my module site here, which is for my academic module, but I've actually uploaded recordings in my personal folder, so I'm just going to switch to that within the VLE. If you don't have that, you can always click the Open in New Window, and that will bring up everything that you've ever got access to, and then you can find the recordings in there. So this is my test recording from earlier, and what I need to do is edit this down. So I hover over Edit and click the link. So here's my recording. I'm going to take off this first bit, and I'm also going to take off this last bit of the recording. So to do that, switch into edit mode with the scissors, use the tabs, drag the tabs with the mouse, let go, and do the same at the other end. And now these grey bits here are the bits that are going to be edited out. I'm also going to take a bit out of the middle. So again, with the scissor icon, drag along the audio timeline so that the whole area has been greyed out there. So again, we've got edited out, edited in, edited out, this will be in, and a final bit of edited out. And when you're finished, click Publish at the top, and in a few minutes time that will be ready and available to students with the edited version. So now if I look at all my sessions in my folder, I want to move this into my talk module folder. So let's say this is finished processing, it's edited down. I can click on the little checkbox and then I can move it. So I'm doing this in the main Panopto view. So if you don't have that, you'll need to click on that little icon there at the top. That brings you into the main Panopto view and gives you all the options. So click on the little checkbox and move that to my talk module folder. And now when students click on the replay content link within their VLE module site, they will see the test recording that I've edited and moved to that folder.